Yes. So when you are confirming that impact of oceanic climate on the sea coastal body, we have to consider the distribution of rainfall is heavy. Such heavy rainfalls are actually distributed from the month June to October. We can take it, children. So heavy rainfall distributions are June to October. Again, little rains. Little rains are expected during which period? Definitely it will be from November, May. See, the explanation is very clear, children. How the rainfalls are heavily distributed. Why they are distributed heavily? Because